And we start this edition with some big breaking news that's coming in, and this is in regard with encounter that is still underway in Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, where two senior Hizbul Mujahideen commanders are believed to be trapped. Riaz Ahmed and Mudassir Hussain have been trapped. These are the two terrorists who are trapped in Kishtwar encounter. Both are carrying 10 lakh reward on them by the Jammu and Kashmir police. The two terrorists were also behind the killing of two BJP leaders, Anil and Ajit Parihar. So a huge development there that's coming in. Two Hizbul Mujahideen leaders have been trapped in an encounter in Kishtwar. The encounter is still underway in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district. It remains to be seen on how long more till the terrorists are shot down or are taken into custody. These, remember, are the pictures of the two terrorists that we are showing on your screens that have been trapped. Both of them were responsible for killing of the two BJP leaders. The encounter has been underway for more than 12 hours now, and the developments in the case are awaited. All right, Gursimran is joining us live on the broadcast on that. Gursimran, talk to us about for how long has this operation been under, and what are the developments so far as we talk about today?
See, if you speak of the operation, it's been more than 16 hours that the operation is underway. Yesterday, it was around 3:45 in the afternoon when an encounter broke out between the terrorists and the security forces. Jammu and Kashmir police, along with the Indian Army, the SOG Kishtwar, CRPF, they are carrying out the operations trying to neutralize the terrorists. Both terrorists are the top commander of Hizbul Mujahideen, carrying 10 lakh reward from the Jammu and Kashmir police, as they were involved in the two major terror attacks that have happened in the Union Territory, the then state of Jammu and Kashmir. In 2018 November, they killed Ajit Parihar and Anil Parihar. Anil Parihar, who is a father of the BJP MLA Shagun Parihar, and his brother, they were killed by these terrorists in the evening hours in the Kishtwar town, and then the other killing took place in the April month of 2019 when RSS activist Chandrakant, along with his PSO, was killed by these terrorists in broad daylight in the Kishtwar hospital. And since then, for the 6 years, there was no clue. They have gone incommunicado, and there was no whereabouts about these terrorists. But day before yesterday, an intel was generated by the Jammu and Kashmir police, based on which the operation was launched. It was a successful int that was converted into the operation, and the two terrorists, Riaz and Mudassir, have been trapped. With the elimination of these two terrorists, the security forces are hoping, which will happen anytime soon, they are hoping that with this, the end of the Hizbul Mujahideen in the Jammu region will be witnessed. Reason being that the third terrorist of Hizbul Mujahideen, the longest surviving commander, Jahangir Saruri, he is in his late 60s, and he is not the one who can be playing an active role in carrying out or execution of the terror attacks. So now the security forces are carrying out the intensified operations to neutralize these two terrorists of Hizbul Mujahideen in the upper reaches of Chirji in the Kishtwar district.
Absolutely, Gursimran. Thank you very much for getting us those details. We'll keep going back to you.